blockchain is stored in multiple computers and multiple servers around the world, right? So first, even if I hack one, I won't be able to change it. So that is one reason. All the transaction data is stored in blocks. When block A is completed, we take all the transaction data and we create a code or hash from it. Then this hash connects block A and block B. Then once block B is complete, we take all the transaction data from block B plus the previous hash that connected block A and block B, and we create another hash. And that hash will join block B to block C. So we create a hash from block A data, we link it with block B. Then we create a hash from block B's data and the previous hash, and we link it with block C and so on. So that's why it's called a blockchain. Even if I change one single alphabet or one single digit, that hash will change. And since that hash will change, the next hash will also change because the next hash was created of block B's data and the previous hash. The other blockchains will get to know that this data is not matching, so they will just put it back in the original form.